Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video about how to actually get the task manager. It's very, very important. The task manager helps us look at the processes, the things that are running on our computer. Computer is slowed down, computer has some problems. It's interesting because you can actually look at the task manager to maybe find what's wrong. Is an app hanging, or it's also cool because you can get the task manager to end a task when it's frozen. So many ways to get the task manager. The first one is Control Alt Delete. That brings you to this blue screen. I don't know if you can see it. I hope you can. And there you can click Task Manager, which brings you to this Task Manager. If you don't want to remember, or if you don't know that shortcut, there's a very easy way to have it also within Windows desktop. Is go down on the taskbar, right click on it. Once again, here you have Task Manager. It's available from the taskbar when you right click. And last but not least, a third way to get it. So you see that it's easy to get it whatever way that you want to have it. You can right click on the Start menu in Windows 10, and here you'll see Task Manager. And here it is again. So easy ways to get the task manager for anything you want to do. One last little detail: for the first time that it runs, most of the time it shows nothing. And people say, well, I'm stuck with a task manager that doesn't show anything. You simply need to click More Details on the bottom left. Once you do that, now you will have a lot more information on the task manager and the different tabs at the top to check out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.